Do you remember anything about that day?
I just remember having it was like the Oreos, but they were like the low sugar Oreos, and they tasted really weird.
She was looking a little thin.
I was like thirsty all the time, and like I got like really pale.
We took her to see Dr. Solomon, our longtime PCP, and then she called us a little while later and said, "You guys should go to the emergency room." I was terrified.
I was just like, I don't even know. I was just like kind of confused, and then they did some blood work, and then they like that's when they told me I had type 1 diabetes.
And so we ended up having, I think, a 2-night stay in the PIMQ. Child Life brought Kaya in at one point.
I got to paint like her like claws, and that was like one of my favorite parts.
And then when we got discharged, we went straight to the outpatient Peds diabetes clinic. It's one of those things where we were extremely overwhelmed. We needed insulin, we needed the syringes, and that's what the Patient Assistance Fund ended up paying for, because we didn't even know like which way was up at that point. We were able to just go and get what we needed and not have to think about insurance and not have to worry about that, which was huge. You know, I've been in healthcare my whole career. Coming at it from the patient-parent perspective is completely different. It is very overwhelming at first. My husband and I mean, I think we were in shock the first few days, like, what are we even doing? So it seems terrible in the beginning, it really does, but then
It gets better.
yeah, it does. You know, another part that we've personally been able to experience is the diabetes camp. Children's Miracle Network funds that as well, and Cam got to experience that this past summer for the first time.
It made it feel like a little bit more normal, and I felt like more like comfortable around them because I didn't have to like tell them like why I was like doing shots and stuff. I think I was most thankful for like all the help and support that I got when I was in the hospital. Children's Miracle Network has like helped me a lot.
You know your kids are strong, but when you see them go through something like that and be so resilient throughout the whole process, it's pretty remarkable.
Thank you for giving me the gift of growing up.